because it's a water ride. So the camera is on, just so you know. So I'm riding this with Joe, and we're riding front row, as you can tell. Joe has a poncho, I do not. And I know that this is gonna be like taking a swim. So yeah.
And I lost my
This makes no sense whatsoever. So guys, this is only for you, so you can watch this on YouTube. You're gonna love this. I will not.
I lost my sunglasses.
You did? No, you put. You didn't put them?
Huh?
You didn't put them in the.
No, we're on my head.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh no, that sucks. That sucks. But it still sucks. You're gonna need them tomorrow.
And I have no problem. But there was also bad strapping, so the weekend.
Sorry, what? They're not inside the poncho?
Not in the back.
Oh, I can't see them.
Don't matter. We'll see later on. Oh,
My goodness.
you never did this?
No, not this one. I've done this in Turkey.
Where?
In Turkey, in Land of Legends.
I did this in Holiday World.
Oh yeah?
That was good.
Yeah? No,
A little bit bad, but good.
I have to say the one I did in Land of Legends in Turkey, it was like this, that was a good one. But it was also 40 degrees. It is not now.
It's 25.
Yeah.
Don't complain.
No, it is 25, you're right.
Look how scary.
It's really tall.
Here we go.
Yeah, the thing is, there's no way that, there's no turning back from this point.
There is. You can still jump out.
Yeah, I could, but I think, no. I'm not sure I can, actually.
You can jump out. You can really jump out.
So is the first one the wettest or the second one? Is the first drop the wettest or the second one?
The second one.
The second one, of course it is.
It's just a straight.
Yeah, of course. Of course this is like that. Here you can see the river rapids. Woohoo! Yeah, that's a bit of a spray.
Oh my god!
Okay, this far I have to say this is a really fun coaster. Yeah, this is gonna be bonkers. And the thing is, I can't lift my legs. So there's like no way that I'm getting out of this.
Oh, not really.
Oh, no.
I'm here with you.
No.
Let's go!
No.
Yeah!
Oh. No. Ooh.
Fine.
Okay, we're good. This far. It can still come back.
No, they come back. Hey, I don't need it. One.
No, you didn't need it. Whew, we were lucky. Oh, that was bonkers. Quite fun though. Yo, that was a fun ride. Ask her. Did you see any sunglasses?
I got my sunglasses. No, you didn't.
Yeah, that's not what we said. Yeah, they are there.